There's a secret hack to go viral on Instagram I wish I knew earlier. Check this out. I have over 110,000 followers on TikTok and over 26,000 followers on Facebook. And even though I post the same video same time on Instagram, I have barely 2,000 followers on Instagram and my videos get an average of 300 views until recently. This particular video got over 220,000 views out of the blues. Let me show you what I did differently, but before then, if you open the inside of the video, you will find that the video has only 642 views from Instagram. Where did the rest come from? Facebook. What it means is that this video is being shown to the over 3 billion users on Facebook, giving it a very high chance of going viral. Let me show you how to set that up. Open Instagram, tap on your profile, tap on the hamburger menu and tap settings and privacy. Scroll down to cross posting and toggle on recommend reels on Facebook, and that's pretty much it. What I did before, which turned out to be my greatest undoing, was to link my Instagram to Facebook to enable me post from one to the other. But now I know better, so don't do it. Let me know in the comments if I was the only one who didn't know this, and please share this video with your Instagram friends, like the video, and if you already follow me on Facebook and TikTok, please follow me on Instagram. Instagram people, don't be too stingy.